It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. It's been a hot minute. It really has been, but it's so good to see you. So today I'm going to be doing a review of a brand new palette from Sugarpill Cosmetics. This is my first time trying the Sugarpill Cosmetics. So they had a pre-sale going on for their latest palette, which is the Sugarpill Capsule collection, the pink edition. The palette itself costs $42 and I was able to get it. I'm not exactly sure when it's going to go public and when it's going to be available, but I'm just going to talk about it, show you some swatches, put together a nice little look. Hopefully you like it, and we shall see, right? Oh, before I jump into that, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. That way you get to see some more of me. And it came today. I'm so excited. So opening up the box, we get a nice little sticker included. That's the front of it. And the back just says, share your pics with us. Also have a receipt showing how much I paid, and it's blue wrapping paper. I love the embossing on the inside of the box. Hi, cutie. It does seem to be well packaged. This is the lady of the hour. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm like, what? That is the first look. Oh, she's reflecting like crazy. This looks so freaking cool. I can't even begin to tell ya. This is the only way I want to take pills from now on, just with makeup. If only you could just like apply makeup and stop being sick, that would be awesome. So that is what she looks like. She is reflecting hardcore. All right, so there's the mirror is actually only half, which is interesting. So only on this side is the mirror. And then that is the palette. I think it's so cool that it's clear. Like what? I've never seen a clear palette before. And that is the full palette. And this is the pink edition. Only thing that bothers me is I'm getting like all these like fingerprints all over it. So this is the back of it, and it has all the names of the particular shadows. And it has 9 shadows and 1 blush included. I've never seen a clear palette before. I gotta say, I think everyone should do it because it is so freaking cool. Wow. Wow. And it's made out of plastic. It's not glass, so hopefully it wouldn't be breakable. It's a mix of 5 mattes, 4 metallics, and 1 blush. And it's called C1. I'm not really sure why. And it is cruelty-free. And it's made in the US. So let's swatch these colors. So this is Slow Dive. Oh. Cloud 9. Whoa. Dream State. Oh, I didn't see Dream State. Dream State? Maybe that's a sheer. And this is Melody, which is a blush. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. First 4, liking it so far. Undone. Ooh. Such a beautiful purple. Ember. Ooh, that's a nice yellow gold. Baby Doll. That's nice too. And then Supernova. Whoa. Whoa. Purples in this are beautiful. Last 2. Radiate and Glory. So those are all the shades. The only thing I would say, I really like the colors. The blush didn't really stand out as much to me, but then again, it is blush. It's not supposed to. And 2 of the shimmers, these 2, kind of faded into the background for me. Although they are still really freaking pretty colors. I'm just like, what in the... All of them showed up. So those are the swatches. I already have a base down, so I'm going to put some colors on and let's play. So I started out with Baby Doll, and this is described as a pastel periwinkle. It is looking a little grayish on the camera, but it is periwinkle, like a lavender blue. And then I went in with Glory, which is described as a dusty carnation right underneath that. Give it a pop of pink and blended that in. Undone, which is a deep purple. It's described as a plum aubergine. and basically just try to blend them all three together. Slow Dive, which is a pure indigo. I feel like a bird of prey right now. What? And then I topped it off with Cloud 9, which is a metallic shimmer. Metallic shimmering aqua. Feel like a freaking bird of prey. Supernova, which is soft lilac with pink and turquoise sparkles. And I just use that to line my eyes. Ooh, freaky. And this is what the final eye look looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and I am loving it. Absolutely loving it. If I didn't know any better, I think someone else did it on me. But I did it on myself, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm going to try the blush in the palette, and that is called Melody. And Melody is classified as a watermelon pink. Oh, and I could see it right away too. There's not a lot of fallout on the palette. There is fallout, but not a lot. Like, I've seen worse. I've seen a lot worse, actually. So there is the blush. I think it's a little bit too pink for me personally. Still looks good. You have to go really, really light. And I think it is a little bit too light for me, but that's okay. I'm not mad at it. Right now, I'm just so in love with how I look. I'm all about it. I'm just like, yes, girl, yes. This is the final look for the Sugarpill Capsule Collection Pink Edition, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love it. I love how I look. The colors blended really well together. The pigment showed up. I mean, if it's showing up like this on my skin tone, and this is without a lighter colored base, all I used was my NYX pigment primer, I can imagine how much more vibrant the colors would be showing. But I'm like super happy with how it turned out. I am a huge fan, and I'm probably going to be buying a lot more Sugarpill. This is my first one, and I was pleasantly surprised. Definitely be on the lookout for it. I think it's super cool. The clear case was like crazy. The color pigment was awesome off the chain. I'm very, very happy with how it looks. Definitely well worth the investment. But that's it. That's the video. Have a good one. Bye.